What's going on, kinfolk? Today we're making cowboy spaghetti. This recipe has been going viral lately, so you know we had to recreate it. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need spaghetti, ground beef, bacon, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, yellow onion, garlic, butter, heavy whipping cream, tomato sauce, diced fire roasted tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, thyme, chives, smoked paprika, and parsley. Begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Chop up 6 to 8 slices of bacon. Shred a cup of Parmesan cheese, a cup of Kobe Jack cheese, and a cup of cheddar cheese. For the cowboy butter seasoning, combine a half teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. For the spaghetti, salt your water and cook according to your package. Next, fry the bacon until it's crispy. Once the bacon is done, remove it, soak up some of the grease, then in the same pan, saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Add minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Add the ground beef and cook until browned. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Once browned, remove the excess grease. Add fire roasted diced tomatoes. Add tomato sauce. Bring to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. For the Alfredo, melt 1 stick of butter, add the cowboy seasoning, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and bring to a simmer. Cut the heat and add a cup of Parmesan cheese. Add the spaghetti and toss it in the Alfredo sauce. Next, we're gonna place the spaghetti in the baking dish. Layer the meat sauce on top. Top with Kobe Jack cheese. cheddar cheese, bacon, chives, and parsley. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. And there you have it, Cowboy spaghetti. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.